I always wanted to have something, an organization, something that we can share our ideas and contribute.
WBAA is a big family.
We're all feeling different, and that's how we became sort of a family there.
I think it's the most beneficial organization to improve brain gain in the Western Balkan regions.
Small family all over the Balkan who is helping each other to grow.
I met here on this General Assembly in Tirana many new people.
It gives us the opportunity to connect with other people from our region.
There are many cultures all in one place.
I like this community, these experiences that we are sharing when we are all together.
All these people that are here, they are excited to be here.
It's a very wise European Commission facilitation.
For me, WBAA is very special because we are people with a more or less similar background.
The ability to step outside the borders of my own country, my own culture.
Without united people, young people in the Western Balkans, there is no united Western Balkans at all.
The greatest one for the change in the Western Balkans higher education system. The minds that are here can make it happen.